Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to edit a contact in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Gmail on your PC by launching your preferred web browser and typing in gmail.com in the address bar. Step 2. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click on Google Contacts to access your contacts list. Step 3. Point to the name of the contact you want to edit. Simply hover your cursor over the contact's name. Step 4. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to start editing the contact's information. Step 5. Now, you can make the necessary changes to the contact's details. Edit the information as needed, such as the name, email address, or phone number. Step 6. Once you've finished editing, click on Save to save the updated contact information. Tip: keep in mind that there are certain details that you can't change, as they are automatically sourced from your contact's Google profile, work, school, organization, or Google Maps if the contact is a business. And that's it. You have successfully edited a contact in Gmail on your PC. Now you can keep your contact list up to date and accurate. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.